Here is a virtual assistant opportunity for you where you can work remotely from home or anywhere, and here the pay rate is also very good, which is around 63,000 rupees per month, and here you will be getting paid training. For this job, you are not required to have any kind of specific degree. You can have any college degree. The company is asking for someone with experience in using CRMs and other relevant software and some project management experience as well. Now let's discuss the job detail. So the profile's name is Virtual Assistant, Executive Assistant, and this is a remote full-time opportunity. The company's name is ClearDesk, and the company offers sourcing, recruiting, and management services for overseas clients. The company is looking for experienced executive assistants to perform advanced, diversified, and confidential administrative duties requiring broad and comprehensive experience, skill, and knowledge of organizational policies and practices. So here you will be required to work as an executive assistant, or you can say like personal assistant to executives. If we talk about the skills and experiences, the company has not mentioned about any specific degree. You can have any college degree, and here the company asks for police clearance or NBI clearance certificate upon hiring, and you should be comfortable with using HubStaff, which is a time tracking application. You should have some experience in using CRMs, that is customer relationship management software, and other relevant softwares. You should have some experience in project management. Professional level English, both written and verbal, is required. You should have working laptop or desktop with access to the internet. Minimum speed should be 25 Mbps. Here are the hardware requirements. So you should have 720p HD webcam and a noise cancelling headset, and internet speed should be at least 25 Mbps primary internet connection, and a backup laptop, backup internet connection device, and backup power supply in case of power outage and emergencies. Minimum recommendation for your main computer is Intel Core i5 or equivalent with 8 GB RAM or higher, whereas for backup computer, Intel Core i3 or 4 GB RAM will work. Here you should have your main device plus internet connection along with the backup device and backup internet connection and power supply. If we talk about compensation and benefits, so company is providing good salary range. You will be getting competitive hourly rate, which will be around 42,500 Philippines peso per month based on your experience. And if we change it into INR, it will be around 63,000 rupees per month. And this is a work from home remote opportunity, and you will be getting paid training, bonuses, and incentives. Now, if you are interested, you can apply for the job. This is the application form that you can fill up. This is a global opportunity, so no matter what is your geographic location, you can apply for this job if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position. You need to provide your resume and NBI clearance or police clearance certificate. Police clearance or NBI clearance certificate you can provide in later stage once you get approved. Your application gets shortlisted. Go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.